about you, Luna? You feel sleepy? I have so many things to do yet. I clean your kids. Basahan na pinagtulugan mo. Pupo. I clean. Okay? Okay? Why fighting? Luna Cookie? Your best friend, brother, sister? Why fighting? No good. Be kind, Cookie. Luna? Luna? Don't be like that. She's not feeling well yesterday. This Cookie. How about you, Luna, ha? Don't be like that, Luna. Luna, be good. Okay? Luna? Yes, calm down. How about you, Cookie? Don't be like that, ah. Be good, girl, ah. Be good. Luna? Cookie, she asking you, are you okay? Are you feeling well? Okay already, your fever? Luna asking only. That's why he wants to disturb you. He has concern to you, Cookie. Cookie? 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 Listen, ah. Listen, ah. Listen. Listen to mommy, ah. Listen, ah. Okay, very good. You also, ah. Luna, ah. Very good also to mommy, ah. Okay. Thank you, ah. You're listening to mommy. Very good.